Hello and welcome to the Allure Beauty unboxing, Allure Beauty Box unboxing for March of 2019. I had seen a few of you have put yours up already. I was excited because I usually get my Allure ones pretty quickly. I know other people wait a little bit longer, but that's me for BoxyCharm. The Allure Beauty Box comes pretty quickly for me. Subscription Sisters, I know, received theirs, so you should definitely check theirs out. Only one of the two received it, though, so they don't wait for each other to receive it and then do it together. They just go ahead and do it one each, and they say they do that because they pretty much get the same box as each other every month, but I kind of wonder if this month they're going to get something different, so I'm kind of anticipating maybe a second one from them because there's so many variations within the Allure Beauty Box this month, which is kind of unusual. Anyhow, so check it out. I'll go ahead and link to their unboxing on down below, because I think if you like my stuff, you'd probably like their stuff. They're really cute and really cute together. And when I get a chance, I always like to do videos with other people. I kind of wish I had a sister to do the Allure Beauty unboxing with, or any of my boxes. But I have a daughter, and my daughter and I do quirky box together. And I have a friend who likes to do Erin Condren with me, which is awesome. So I think I have at least a couple of people who are willing to do this crazy stuff with me. So this month's box, or bag, excuse me, is white. Last month it was black. The month before was red. I really liked the black one last month. I like the white one. I think it's pretty. I think, I don't know if I necessarily like that you can kind of see through it, but it's cute and it's well made, just like all my other ones have been. I know some people have received ones that have had the seam open. All right, it comes with the little magazine insert that tells you all of the things inside of it. They say if you refer a friend, you can get a Oué sample trio. That looks like a nice sample trio. Does anybody want to be my friend and they want to say, hey, Dina did this to give me an Oué little sample trio? I'd be all for that, and I thank you very much if you decide to do that. Oh, and if you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that down below. I forgot to add that in my past few videos. I guess I don't want people to subscribe. I don't know, because there are like people who have like a gazillion followers. They're like, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm like, pretty much all of the YouTube population has subscribed to you, so I don't know who you're looking for other than possibly your subscribers, dogs or cats, to subscribe to you. All right, without further ado, I'm going to shut up now. The first, they got the pages with all the information on them, so I'm only going to show you the first one, okay? So it says the first one actually came separate from my bag because it was too big to fit in the bag. It's called the Au Naturel, the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit. So there's the packaging. Okay. Ooh, that's a pretty, look at that color. I want to dress that color. That's cool. All right, so let's take a look and see what that means for me when I'm wearing it. All right, let's see. Ooh, that's a nice package. It's got a very substantial feel to it. Satisfying opening. Oh, that's pretty. I'm a fan of it already. It says, when I blended this golden peachy cream blush onto my cheeks, it gave my complexion a subtle warmth and color that looked like it could be my own. It's a magic wand that gives you a running around the playground flush, even when all you're doing is staring at a computer all day. Maybe I get this flush when I'm kind of like frustrated with the children I teach, and I'm like, rrr, rrr, and they're like looking at me and they're watching the magic stick unfold. Anyhow, so I'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh, well, that swatches in very nicely. You don't even have to put very much on to get like a really good flush. I'm not going to put it on my cheeks because I'm wearing from my BoxyCharm the Cover FX palette, and I do a bunch of videos in a row because I just don't have a time to do a different video, change outfit or whatever, change makeup. I guess you can rub it in a little bit. Yeah, it's rubbing in pretty nicely. So if you apply it too thick, you can always kind of rub it down. I like that. It's $35. Okay. Next up is in the bag. I'm just going to pull stuff out at random. Ooh, Amika, like Amika. Last month I got was it this month? Yes, this month from Sephora Play and from Birchbox, I got an Amika sample. This doesn't look like a sample size. This is 2 fluid ounces, and it's a Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm, or maybe it's like a deluxe sample, like travel sized. I like Amika stuff. And it says Amika. Oh, it's not. It's actually, it must be a travel size because it has the picture of it and it looks much bigger. So it says, this light lotion is a little slippery, so it's easy to rake through damp hair. Just don't wave your hands around while the formula is still in your palms. It slid right off of mine and onto the floor. Okay. On take 2, I separated my hair into 4 sections and quickly smoothed the dime-sized blob through each. All right, so this says it's $25, I think, when you buy it the bigger size. It says 6.7 fluid ounces is what normal is. So I'm guessing this is like a, I don't know. I discovered that my video had stopped filming about halfway through my video. So I was talking about the Amika Velveteen Dream smoothing balm, and I had mentioned that it was 6.7 ounces in the full size, which was right here. I actually have already put away the Velveteen Dream smoothing balm, but it is a product I will definitely use because it is perfect for my hair, especially in the summer. I find that my hair goes wavy very easily if I don't blow dry it. Since I don't blow dry it in the summer, it's nice just to have something to kind of smooth down the waves a little bit. Okay, I don't remember exactly what I've already reviewed. I believe the Amika was the second thing I did. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly go through the other products I did a review for already, but didn't get filmed. So you're going to miss my belief going across the room. I threw it by accident, so I guess it's good to have missed that. Anyhow, so this is the Belief. The True Cream Aqua Bomb. I actually have a few of these already. The woman in here, her name is Devin, says that she actually keeps running out of it. She uses it so much. I prefer something much thicker for winter time. And this gel is great for me in the summer. It really does smooth things out. But I find a gel is not enough moisture for me on my skin during the winter time. So I use it in the summer pretty much exclusively. So any of my gel ones tend to be spring, summer, maybe early fall. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my skin because I need a little bit of moisture. I've been swatching all afternoon and I feel like I need just something to give my skin a little bit more moisture. That one retails for $38 and this is 1/3 of an ounce. I still dropped it. You guys got that. You just didn't get it flying across the room. All right, I think an ounce is probably its typical size. So with 3 of these, I've received an ounce, so I have a full-size one just kind of waiting for me. All right, next up is the Micro Dermabrasion Scrub by Derma E Essentials. This one was actually recommended by a fella named Brennan. And he says in here how much he likes it because it's kind of, he says, an all-in-one product. It kind of lifts, it moisturizes, it cleanses. It smells really good. It's like a floral, citrusy smell. I like it. I'm very excited about it. This one is $32.50. I don't know what a normal size is. It's probably just a big tub. So I'm assuming this is another $5 or $6 sample. I may have already done this one, and if that's the case, I'll go ahead and kind of clip this out. This is the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. It's the packaging. And I looked at it, and the blue actually reminds me a lot of the Luna Night Oil by Sunday Riley. But it doesn't smell like it. The one that's the Sunday Riley one and the other one that I received from like a FabFitFun add-on order, a number 3, I don't remember what the company is, those were very strong and potent smells. In fact, the number 3 kind of smells like tobacco. I don't mind it. It doesn't bother me too much. And the Luna oil also smells kind of funky, but it does work, and I really like them. With this one, this Tansy oil by Seriously Soothing by Allure, smells nice. It's like a very florally, it's almost citrusy. It doesn't smell anything like the Luna oil or the number 3. So that's good. This one is actually not very expensive. I think it's $13. And it's for an ounce. And we have 1/3 of an ounce. So this thing is like $4. I already talked about the multi-stick at the beginning. And then I have here the Biossance Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil. It says, marquee ingredients, hydrate and brighten so well that after I tried this oil, there was no going back. I press it on after moisturizer, which makes my skin dewier, not oily. That is what Sarah says. And this is $72 worth of product. So I'm only going to put the tiniest little bit of amount. It smells more, I think it's more floral, because it's got the rose in it, which I don't mind. The next item is a rose product too, and I'm pretty excited about it. It smooths in really nice as well. That one, that's a $72 product. So I'm suspecting this tiny little 0.13 fluid ounces is probably maybe $8. And last but not least, one that I like because I liked it last month was the Mamond. This is the Rose Water Toner. Last month we got a oil to like foaming cleansing product, and I like that a lot. That was great. This is a toner, and I like rose water for toning. This smells wonderful. I am very excited about it. If you don't like rose, you're going to be disappointed again because there's this third rose product in there. I actually used those face masks that they sent multiple times. So it was a good choice for them. I mean, multiple times. I used it once, and now I want to go buy multiples of it. They did not send me multiples of the facial mask. They sent me one, and I loved it, and now I want to buy more. Okay, that is it for the Allure March 2019 unboxing. I'm looking forward to April. I'm hoping maybe we'll get a green or maybe a yellow. That'd be kind of pretty. Or maybe something like, oh, holographic. Because I like that lady, Simply Nailogical. And if we got a holographic little pouch, that would be awesome. And I would just be like, I have a holographic pouch. And then my daughter would find it and steal it from me, because that's just what she does when she says she sees anything holographic. She loves them. All right, y'all have a good rest of the month, and we'll see you next month. Bye.